Choo-hoo. Hey, how you doing? We are doing a broker statement reveal, and also I'm rolling over my gold and silver, which I have to do a couple times a year. I just worked a 9-hour day on the ocean, swimming with dolphins, working with tourists. Long day, but I'm going to come back and do this for you. So we're going to do a broker statement, roll over the positions, then come back and do a broker statement again. So here we can see I have 146,000. I'll show it, but I've deposited 39,900, so I'm up about 106,000 on the year still. I'm going to roll over the silver and gold positions right now, so I'm going to realize another $55,000 in profit. Then I'm going to reopen them. Okay, so let's go to, we're going to look at the transfers, just so you can see. For transparency, if we go to transfer history, we can see I withdrew the full balance on February 2021. By the way, you guys know this, I'm trading a mechanical system. The back testing is automated, the trade signals are automated. The trades themselves are not fully automated, but it takes about 2 hours a year probably. So you could do the math here, but you can see all these deposits. If you were to add them up, it's $39,900. So again, we can see that I have $145,000 floating. And if we go to our statement for the year, sorry, not 145,000, we've got $84,000 floating. Let's go to our statement for the year and let's look at our performance for this year, and we see. So one of the issues with NinjaTrader is the statements only reflect closed P&L, so this doesn't show the floating P&L. Here we've got 23,000. On top of that 80 whatever, it gets us to 107,000 roughly. Here's the winning losing trades, whatever. So we're going to come back to this after I realize that. But first we're going to go in here and we're going to collapse the positions and then we're going to reopen them. So let's go to it. I haven't logged into this account since early September. It's been over 2 months since I've even logged into the trading account. One of the reasons that this can take longer is because I haven't done this in a while, so I'm like, what am I doing? So let's do silver, exit at market, and cancel all. So it's 0 now, MGC is gold, exit at market and cancel all. So here we see, now I want to look at orders, order type. Is it working? So the stop losses are gone too. Now I just need to replace them. So let's go to MGC, micro gold futures, and I'm going to put on our trading system. So my stop loss is supposed to be right down here. How many contracts did I close? So 4 gold contracts. So let's do MGC. We'll do February, so that'll give us 3 months. Kind of interested in April, so I don't have to roll it, but I think it's pretty likely I probably won't be holding that long anyways. I don't think it really matters. I'm just going to do this. So price is 41773. I'm seeing something different here, 4139. Let's look at the April and see if it's closer. Oops. One of the reasons that it's hard to automate is because 4206. Interesting. Okay, let's do the February. We're gonna do market, and we're gonna do 4, and I'm gonna do that for February. No, I don't want to sell. I want to buy. Buy. Okay, so I bought 4. Risk pass. Now I'm going to do 4, good till canceled, stop market, sell. I don't want to cancel at all, good till canceled. So here's the only thing I need to figure out is the stop. Looks different than here. So what I'm going to do is, this one is 76 and this one is 39. I'm just going to add 25 to whatever this number is. So it's 3351. So I'm going to put it at 3376. 33.76. Okay. Stop market at 33.76. It's a long way away. I don't expect this to get hit. I expect to get stopped out higher. Okay. See, it's working. Okay, now we go to silver. There's November, December, January. I'd like to do later. I don't want to roll it every month. Micro silver. Let's look at February too. It says 50.78. Let's go to micro silver. This one's 51 point. Okay, that's fine. Let's do February. So there's 3. I'm going to do 3 at the market buy. I'm just replacing the old positions. Now I'm going to sell 3, stop market, good till canceled. Same thing here, price is close enough, so I'm just going to put it at the same point. I don't know why it's not showing up here. I'll just go to the silver chart instead. And I'm going to put it down at 36. Again, I don't expect the stop to get hit, but I'm just playing it how I'm supposed to. Okay, 36. Good deal canceled. Contract has a future activation date and cannot be vet by traded. What? I'm gonna have to ask support why. Did the buys happen? MGC February, no. It looks like I got rejected on the silver February too. Am I tripping? No, I'm not tripping. So I don't know why. I guess I'll try the January. I don't know why it's doing this. 3, the market rejected. Buy 3. Okay, so we're doing the Januaries. And then we're going to sell 3. Again, we'll do it at 36, which would give back all that profit. But again, it's probably not going to play out like that. Our stop loss is going to get advanced, but I'm just following the system. Good till canceled. Stop market. Almost sold 36 at the market. That would have been crazy. 36, quantity 3. Okay. Okay, now let's look at working. Just double check. We have all 6. Okay, now we're going to go back to our statements. So here, now we no longer have gold, silver profit, but if we go into our statements, we should see performance for the year. Should already be updated. Now we see $82,000 realized on $130 in fees, which is pretty crazy if you ask me. Now, just to show you how the trades are, again, this is the system. If you're not in the group already, there's a link in bio where you can join. But that's the only trading activity I've done in 2 months. And I have to do that a couple times a year. So the system does not take very long at all. I don't need to check the chart because the signal itself is automated. It will tell me to buy. Why do I have 4 silver? Oh, I think it's different, but okay. And then we see it's also in these trades. Okay. So yeah, I'm gonna go and do other things with my day now. Appreciate y'all, much love. Talk to y'all soon. And aloha.